Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You power on the refurbished iPhone now. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, choose your language and region, then connect to Wi-Fi so activation can contact Apple servers. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password ready because you will be asked to sign in for activation lock removal or setup. If the device shows activation lock, pause and verify the IMEI with the seller before proceeding so you avoid being stuck. Now sign in with your Apple ID to complete activation. This links the phone to your account and restores iCloud services. If you prefer, use Quick Start to transfer data from your old iPhone. Hold devices close and follow on-screen prompts for device-to-device migration. Once your data begins to transfer, check Settings General Software Update and install the latest iOS. Updates often fix activation or carrier handshake issues. Make sure to finish by testing essentials. Make a call, send a text, browse web on Wi-Fi, and confirm Face ID or Touch ID enrollment. If anything fails, first reboot and check Settings General About for carrier info, then reset network settings if Wi-Fi or cellular is flaky. If activation lock still appears, contact the seller or Apple with your receipt because removal requires proof. One troubleshooting tip: do not erase the device until you're signed into the correct Apple ID to avoid reactivation lock.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.